Pangea is a developer solution which makes security functionality in an app as easy as an API call. Today, I'll introduce the Redact service, show you how to configure and test redaction rule sets, and run a simple curl command against the API on your local terminal. Redact allows you to remove sensitive information such as names, social security numbers, or credit card information from text. You can even remove offensive language using the same API. The Redact service can help keep your users safe from oversharing if your application displays user-generated content, such as reviews, comments, or supports chat sessions. To get started, log into the Pangea console. On the left-hand navigation menu, you'll notice a list of available services and categories. This list will grow as we add new capabilities to the Pangea platform. Select Redact from the compliance category. The first time you select a service, you'll be presented with a setup dialog. Review the highlights overview and click Next. You'll then be presented with the option to create an authentication token. Select a name, expiration date, and the services this token should be able to access. Let's use the default values by simply clicking Done. You'll be directed to the Redact overview screen. This dashboard lists the service metrics and imported configuration details required to interact with the API. Make note of the domain and token you just created. Using the copy shortcut, you can quickly copy each value to the system clipboard. To configure what information is redacted, select the Rule Sets option from the left-hand menu. You'll notice that there are several rule set categories. For this example, click into the PII category and enable the person and phone number rules. Then click Save to confirm the page. We can quickly test a rule or combination of rules using the options shown at the top right of the screen. For example, to try the person and phone number rules we just enabled, select each from the drop-down menu, enter an input string, and click the Test Rules button. You'll see the redacted version of the text below. To test using the actual API, click the Try It Now link to open the API documentation page. Because you're logged into your Pangea account, your project's tokens will be listed. Enter some sample text, for example, my client's number is, and a phone number in any format. You can send the request to the API to process and see the response directly from this browser widget, or copy the curl command using the copy shortcut button. Your token value is obfuscated in the browser, but the actual token was copied to your system's clipboard, so be careful where you paste it. In a new terminal window, paste the command and hit enter. The curl program will instantly return the response. Curl commands can be helpful to test an API service, or to write bash scripts, for example, to redact sensitive information from logs. If you found this tutorial helpful and want to learn more about Pangea, visit pangea.cloud to register and try out the Redact API.